Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100. Today we're going to talk about the Ecash, and I was just going through the Ecash roadmap. They have a very professional website. I'm going to post the link of the roadmap down below so you can go through the roadmap of Ecash. Right now we are in this phase, lightning fast network, and upcoming is the faster block propagation, UTXO commitment, and all these things: Merk leaks, metadata tree, adaptive block size, mankind scale. And if we talk about the usability, then we are currently in the phase of cache fusion, avalanche, pre-concises, and all that stuff. So let's head over to TradingView and let's talk about the price prediction of XEC right now. If I draw this line, in my previous video I draw this trend line, and this was the valid trend line as it has one touch, two touch, and then we got these two also included, then this touch point of control, then this one is also point of control. Now you can clearly see when this level was broken, it came down right at this level just to retest this area here. Why retesting? Because it was the swing high candle. So easy, okay, swing high candle. So you can see clearly this was a strong level and it retested again. Let me show you. Today's candle is this, which is information, and retested, got rejected here. Why it got rejected? Because it was the low of the swing high candle, all-time high. You can clearly see here. Okay, it was the low of the swing high candle, so no rocket science whatsoever. And it also got rejected from the trend line, so you can say that the level at let me show you, let me draw the line here, this one. Okay, so let me delete the other lines for you guys. Let me delete the other price tags. Now this level and the price here. Now what you are looking at is, just take a look at yourself. You can see perfect point of control, okay, POC trend line, a valid trend line. It got rejected from 24264, okay, and down there it got rejected from 21646. Why? Because it was a low of the swing high candle, no rocket science. And why it tested and got rejected? Because this is a valid trend line as a resistance, and now it got rejected from this area, you can see. And it also this was a swing high, and it also get rejected from previous swing high as well. So we can take this into account. If I draw a line here, you can see here, now it is trying to, coming, testing at this level. So this is acting as a resistance, horizontal resistance as well as diagonal resistance. So this is a point of control, 2426, and down there we have 2164 as a support level. Now what is the next scenario? If I turn on the volume here, the volume is extremely low, guys, and it usually happens if you briefly look at the chart. After the parabolic move, okay, the price went up, then we saw a retest at this level, then a slow and steady distribution, and again we saw a accumulation, and you can say a retesting of the level here at this area. Then we saw another distribution. Now what is the next phase? What I'm looking at right now is that we might gonna consolidate at this area. Okay, we might gonna consolidate because this was a gap. Okay, it was a gap which has been filled once and twice, so 2 times this level has been tested, although there is a massive gap in here. Okay, this is a massive gap. It was a breakout, basically it was a breakout. If I turn on, you can see here it was a breakout, and let me turn on the level here as well for you guys. Now I am very concerned about this level, okay, this level, which is, I don't know why it has not been filled, the level between here at this area, okay, 136 and this one. Okay, it is an extremely important and volatile, and you can say in future we can, guys, I'm not sure, but technical analysis, if we follow the technical analysis, then this area can also be tested in the future. So what can I say, man? It can also be reached. If we see a dumps in the BTC crashes, then this level can also be achieved, but it's okay, don't worry, it's not gonna happen right now, but there is a gap. Okay, there is a gap in here. So what's next, guys? The price has to consolidate above 21646 here. Okay, and it is testing the level here. Okay, it has got rejection from this area, and we have let me show you this one. Okay, this is also a swing high. I'm gonna draw a level here. Now the price is testing and it has broken the 22900 resistance level, support level. It has been broken, and right now the price, this candle is currently in formation. Okay, and with a low volume, so we might gonna consolidate. You can see the momentum of the candle, huge momentum, then a push, but you can see the selling. These long wicks are basically an indication that there are sellers. You can clearly see at this level. So this area seems to be a supply area where the sellers are trying to sell. You can clearly see from these 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, from 5 candles, 6, and this was the pump, and it not happened. So 6 candles indicating out of 1 2 and out of 2 candles or 3 candles. So out of 9 candles, 6 candles is basically indicating that this area is acting as a supply zone where we have a lot of sellers. So sellers are pushing the price towards the downside. What is required next? Now you can see this was a bullish pump. It was a pump, single candle pump. We need more candles. We need some consolidation with the strong buying as well. So if we break below, guys, if we break below or candle closing below 21646, then the price is gonna retest this. You can call this is the swing high, but I'm gonna call this is the swing low. So price might gonna retest at the level here. I'm doing the live analysis, that is why. Okay, it can do the retesting at 20714. okay, if it closes below. Otherwise price has to stay here at this level. It has to fluctuate in between, and then forming a strong support, we can break out in the future as well. But for right now, you can see clearly, just take a look at yourself. This was a good phase. This was a good accumulation phase. It was a good accumulation phase, and then we saw a breakout. Now after the all-time high, the price has not been stable. It has been going down and then up, then again going down. But now if you compare the two, okay, if you compare this phase of candles, low candles, okay, small size candles, whether as this rate, you can see this was the more of a distribution phase or sell-off phase. You can see those people who sell, so bought the lowest price, they were taking the profits, okay, and maybe panic selling as well. But right now, and it has the huge volume. Now the volume is going low, and we might gonna see some small candles, and after the small candles, that would be a good sign. Small size candles had to be made at this level, then we can see a move towards the upside. So this is the current update of the XEC cash. Getting a lot of requests for the eCash daily on the daily basis. So guys, this is it. If it breaks below 21646, then price is gonna retest at 20714. Otherwise it is gonna consolidate. It is gonna range in between this level. So this is the current scenario of XEC. I will keep making videos for the eCash on your request, so don't worry. Take care and enjoy trading.